Best practices for TD Bank checking account start with understanding the account features and benefits. TD Bank offers a range of checking accounts, each with its own set of features, such as low or no monthly maintenance fees, ATM fee rebates, and rewards programs to get the most out of your account. It is essential to choose the one that best fits your needs. Once you have opened your account, it is crucial to manage your account effectively. This includes monitoring your account activity regularly, setting up account alerts, and keeping your account information up to date. You can use TD Bank's online banking and mobile app to easily manage your account, pay bills, and transfer funds. Another key concept is avoiding overdrafts. To do this, you should keep track of your account balance, set up low balance alerts, and consider setting up overdraft protection. TD Bank also offers a feature called Overdraft Protection Transfer, which allows you to link your checking account to a savings or credit account to cover overdrafts. In addition to managing your account, it is also important to take advantage of the rewards and benefits offered by TD Bank. For example, you can earn cash back or rewards points when you use your debit card. And you can also take advantage of discounts and offers from partner merchants. To keep your account secure, it is essential to use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and monitor your account activity regularly for any suspicious transactions. You should also be aware of phishing scams and other types of fraud. And never provide your account information to unknown parties. Finally, if you have any issues or concerns with your account, you should not hesitate to contact TD Bank's customer service. They are available 24/7 to assist you with any questions or problems you may have. By following these best practices, you can get the most out of your TD Bank checking account and enjoy the convenience, rewards, and security that it offers. Remember to always manage your account effectively. Avoid overdrafts. Take advantage of rewards and benefits. Keep your account secure, and contact customer service if you need any assistance.